In this tutorial, we will learn how to map a number context. To map a number context, click on the Mapping tab. The Mapping tab displays all such data sets that have been mapped to one or more contexts. Just as in the case of string contexts, you can click on Create Mapping to associate a data set to a number context. You can also edit an already mapped data set to create new mappings or edit existing ones. In this tutorial, we will use an already mapped data set to demonstrate how new data set fields can be mapped to contexts. Click on the Edit icon on the top right corner of the dataset card to start associating this data set with new contexts or for editing existing mappings. This will open the Create Mappings window. To associate a new field of this data set to a context, click on the Create Mapping button. Select the relevant number field from the column dropdown and the number context from the context dropdown. Click on Save to save the mapping. The number context can now be used in place of the dataset field while using the dataset. Depending upon how the number context is used, at runtime, the value of the field will either be assigned to a bin or will be aggregated in one of the bins.